What is going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm using Tinder Passport to swipe in one of the sexiest places in the world, the Philippines. Before the video starts, make sure you pound that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel for more helpful and entertaining Tinder videos. This is the newest installment in my Tinder Passport World Tour. A lot of you guys have been commenting, asking me to swipe in the Philippines, so Daddy had to deliver in this video. If there's a city or country you guys want to see me swipe on in the next video, drop it down in the comments below, and with all that, let's get into it. So we'll fire up the old Tinder machine here. Yeah, so Philippines is somewhere you guys have been wanting me to swipe for a while, so had to deliver in this video, and off to a really good start. Oh damn, okay, looks like we've got a match here already. She's got like a cake and like some sort of like red room setup. I'm getting like pretty kinky vibes from that red room photo. So let's type in I like your red room. Definitely getting like 50 Shades of Grey vibes from her red room here, so had to throw that one out there. Off to a really good start here already. Got a match. Okay. Damn, girls in the Philippines are pretty cute. Okay, wow. I feel like compared to like some of the other places that I've swiped in, like some of them are a lot more conservative. Like it looks like girls in the Philippines, maybe it's just because it's really hot there and they're always at the beach. Feels like they're not afraid to show it off, you know, not afraid to flaunt it a little bit. And I'm not that mad about it, to be honest. I'm here for it. I'm very supportive of my Filipino baddies here. Okay, Riza, not bad. I've been having a good time lately doing a lot of one-on-one calls with my coaching clients, and it's really cool like getting to experience helping people from around the world with such a variety of different like issues and, you know, concerns in their dating life. If you guys are interested in getting on a call with me one-on-one and going over, you know, your profile, getting it where it needs to be, optimizing it so you can start to get more matches, or maybe your text game needs a little bit of work, maybe you're not getting responses to messages, maybe your conversations are kind of leading to the friend zone, you're getting ghosted, you're getting flaked on, you know, how to set up dates over text, like what to do when you get a number off of Tinder, how to actually behave on the date, how to set up second dates. These are all things that I've been working on one-on-one with my coaching clients, and I'd be happy to help you guys with it as well. So feel free to book a call down in the link below. If that's not something that interests you though, and you're just here for the entertainment value of my videos, like that's awesome too. Appreciate the love either way, guys. So far having a great time swiping here in the Philippines. The girls are looking absolutely phenomenal for the most part. Oh yeah, this girl's cute. Oh, this girl's really pretty. Damn, love that smile. Okay. I feel like the Philippines is like known for a few things that I really fuck with. Boxing, obviously Manny Pacquiao comes from the Philippines. That's a huge flex. You know, gorgeous ladies pretty much across the board. Beautiful beaches, waterfalls. Like it just sounds like the kind of place that I would love to go to. Settle down, kind of bunker down for a couple months and just live there. Maybe throughout like a winter, it'd be like a really good spot to just chill, lay low, kind of work off your laptop and get to know some of the locals, because I've met a lot of Filipino people here in Canada and they're phenomenal people. So love the Philippines. Shout out to all my Filipino fans watching this video. Love you guys. And oh wow, Angela is looking great here. I love her pink hair. That is such a cool look. She really changes it up on us too. Yeah, this girl has like really good style. I think we're gonna swipe right. Oh boys. Okay, we've got a bit of a match. Not a bit of a match, we have a match. So I'll say, yo, that hair reminds me of Cotton Candy. She's really got that like cotton candy flow going on. I could just, you know, gobble that up at a fair or something like that. We're gonna keep swiping along here. Oh, that girl's vaping. That's a big red flag. What is going on with this photo? That's really strange. I feel like some of the profiles here are like, you know, rocking, and other ones are just like kind of sauce and out there. There's no way this girl's 37. If that girl is 37, then I'm a bajillionaire. You know what I mean? Okay, we got a bit of a match. I'm kind of getting catfish vibes. Either that or she just has like the best genetics of all time. Because she looks like, you know, 21 or something like that. So we're going to call her out on that. No way you're 37. Throw in a little sassy emoji just to let her know like we're keeping it playful. Anna Marie, 5'4" petite girl, loves to draw and pet animals. I've definitely got an animal that you could pet anytime. So we're going to swipe right. Okay. This girl's got like the schoolgirl vibe going on. We'll swipe right. Oh, Belle. Damn. Oh, damn. Okay. I think Belle is some sort of, you know, dancer or adult entertainer of some variety. And we don't discriminate. I'm here for that. So we're going to set off the baddie alert here. We're going to raise the alarm because there is a baddie in the vicinity here. Oh, we got a message back from Jeleni. From Jeleni. Let's go check out what she's saying. Haha, I'm really 37. Okay, she's typing. Like, no way you're not 37. No chance. Do I look younger or older? So she's playing along. That's good. We're gonna let her know, like, straight up though. Like, you look like 21. Let's let her kind of gnaw on that one a little bit. Okay. So yeah, so far guys, I'm pretty impressed with the Philippines. I know I've swiped around the world at this point in a lot of different places, and the Philippines has got to be up there as, you know, one of the sexiest places that I've swiped in for sure. So shout out to the Philippines. You guys rock. Oh wow, pretty smile too. I feel like I could never really get bored of swiping in the Philippines. Like if this level of consistent baddies is just always around on Tinder in the Philippines, I could swipe all day. So Tinder Gold sales must be at an all-time high over there because I'd be running out of swipes pretty quick on a daily basis. So there you have it, guys. I've got to say the Philippines is one of the sexiest places I've probably ever swiped in my life. So if you guys have a city or a country you want to see me swipe on in the next video, drop it down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button. I'm your go-to source for hilarious, entertaining, and helpful Tinder videos. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications. Until next time, peace.